In manufacturing, understanding CPM, cost per minute, and EPM, earn per minute, is crucial for optimizing profitability and efficiency. In this video, we'll discuss why these metrics are important and how to calculate them step by step. Stay tuned to learn how CPM and EPM can help you make smarter financial decisions in your production process. Or cost per minute represents the factory's operating cost per minute, while EPM or earn per minute indicates the factory's earnings per minute. Understanding these metrics is essential for assessing profitability and improving efficiency. To calculate CPM and EPM, we first need to determine the total factory cost. This includes labor costs, machine depreciation, utilities like electricity and water, overhead costs such as maintenance and management. These details should be obtained from the finance department to ensure accurate calculations. In the next steps, we'll see how to use this data to find CPM and EPM effectively. To calculate CPM and EPM, we need to determine the total available minutes, also known as factory total direct capacity minutes. This is calculated using the formula number of direct cadre times total working minutes per day times number of days times efficiency. This value represents the total productive minutes available in the factory, which is crucial for accurate CPM and EPM calculations. Let's see an example of how to calculate factory total direct capacity minutes. Applying some values. Now, let's calculate CPM. To do this, we divide the total factory cost by the factory total direct capacity minutes. Now, let's calculate CPM with an example. Total factory cost, provided by the finance department, equals $850,000. Total factory available minutes equals 9,600,000. Now, applying the formula. CPM equals total factory cost divided by factory total direct capacity minutes. CPM equals $850,000 divided by 9,600,000. CPM equals 0.0885 per minute. This means the factory's operating cost is $0.0885 per minute. Now, let's calculate EPM. To do this, we use the same method as CPM, but instead of total factory cost, we use total factory earnings. Now, let's calculate EPM with an example. Total factory earn equals $1,050,000. Total factory available minutes equals 9,600,000. Now, applying the formula. EPM equals total factory earn divided by factory. Total direct capacity minutes EPM equals $1,050,000 divided by 9,600,000. EPM equals 0.109 per minute. This means the factory's operation earn is $0.109 per minute. To ensure financial stability, a factory must always maintain CPM, cost per minute, lower than EPM, earn per minute. If EPM is greater than CPM, the factory is making a profit. If CPM is higher than EPM, the factory is operating at a loss, which can impact long-term sustainability. By continuously monitoring and optimizing these values, factories can improve profitability. Now that you've mastered CPM and EPM, you're on your way to optimizing factory performance. Want to learn more about industrial engineering, cost management, and efficiency in apparel manufacturing? Subscribe to the Apparel Engineer channel for more valuable insights. Stay ahead with expert tips and practical knowledge to improve your factory's success. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.